Today I am testing out a hack which is descaling my very dirty kettle with fresh lemon. You fill your kettle with cold water, drop in a couple of slices of fresh lemon and then boil your kettle. Leave it for 30 minutes to work its magic. You can see here that the lemons have broken up a bit and it is already looking cleaner. Then pour out the water and the lemons, fill your kettle again with fresh water and boil it again. Rinse it out and that's it, it's done. This is an amazing natural solution and it only cost me 28p. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!